everyone, welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm sharing with you this recipe for a soft and fluffy Johnny cake. If you want to see how I achieve this, then let's do it. I must say thank you to all of you good people right here. To those of you who are always coming back, you are and forever will be my MVP. God bless you. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you too. To those of you who are just watching and haven't made up your minds as yet, please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all, so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. If you are still here, you are enjoying this video. God bless you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up now. And at the end of this video, be sure to check out the description box. Everything will be listed there for you. I also have a few links that I'd like you to check out. If you want to support this channel, there is a link there for Patreon. If you want to be a patron to this channel, God bless you. If you want to send something via PayPal, the link is there also. Or if you just want to send something through the mail, my post office box is listed below. Be sure to check out our merch store as well as our Amazon store. Now with the Amazon store, I am an affiliate. If you were to purchase something through my link or from the store, I will receive a commission. Please use them. God bless you and continue watching. for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.